It is raining very hard. The wind is cold. Do not cry, baby Lily.
We cannot sleep on the street.
Look, a store on the corner. Let's ask for help fast. Excuse me, sir. Good evening.
What are you doing inside here?
The rain is very heavy outside.
Look at you.
My baby is very cold.
Get out of my store right now.
She has a high fever, sir.
That is not my problem.
Please, sir, just 1 minute.
You will ruin my clean floor.
We will stay quiet in the corner.
No, my clothes are luxury.
I swear I will not touch anything.
Rich customers do not like beggars.
Have a little pity.
Take your baby and leave the store. Driver, stop the car now. Look at that poor woman on the sidewalk.
Please, somebody help me.
Hello, good evening. Take my umbrella.
We do not have a home, sir.
Why are you in the storm?
The store owner kicked us out in the rain.
That is terrible and cruel.
He yelled at me and my daughter.
Nobody deserves this.
My daughter is shaking from the cold.
Come with me. Get in my car.
Are you sure?
Yes, my car has a heater.
We will dirty the leather seats.
Your lives are more important.
Wow. Your house is a big mansion.
Welcome to my home, Anna.
It is the most beautiful place I have ever seen.
Feel completely safe here.
I don't know how to thank you.
Sit near the fireplace to get warm. Here are some dry towels.
Thank you very much.
You are very kind.
I also brought hot milk and soup for you.
The smell of this food is delicious.
Eat slowly. You are very weak.
My daughter finally stopped crying.
Rest well tonight.
You are an angel in our lives.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Good morning, Mr. Thomas. We are much better.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes. It was the best night of our lives.
I am very happy to hear that.
Thank you very much for saving us yesterday.
It was a pleasure to help you.
But it is better we leave now.
Leave? Where will you go?
I do not have a place to live, sir.
What? No family or friends?
Nobody. I looked for shelter in that store yesterday.
And what happened inside?
The owner kicked us out back into the storm.
You will not go back to the streets.
But I do not want to bother your life.
Wait, Anna. I have a proposal.
A proposal for me?
I need an assistant in my office.
Really? But I do not have nice clothes.
We can buy the right clothes.
And where will I live with my daughter?
You can stay here in the mansion.
That is a dream, but I have no experience.
You are polite, kind, and very smart.
I'm afraid of making mistakes and disappointing you.
I will teach you everything. Do you accept the job?
Yes, I accept. Thank you very much.
You will work with me every day.
I promise to work hard and learn fast.
Anna, I watched your work these months.
I try to do my best every day, sir.
You are the best employee in the company.
I study business every night.
You closed big contracts for us.
You changed my life forever.
I want to invest millions in your new ideas.
Oh my God.
That is a lot of money to invest.
You have a natural talent for this.
I do not want to lose your money.
From today on, We will be partners.
A partner? I do not believe it.
We will build an empire together.
Daddy Thomas, look at my drawing.
How beautiful! What did you draw, Princess?
I drew our family.
Family? Me, you, and your mom?
Yes.
You took care of us all these years.
You grew up so fast, my daughter.
I love you too very much.
We are a beautiful family.
I have never been so happy, Anna.
And our company also grew together.
That is true. Look at the new reports.
Our profit is over $1 million today.
Congratulations. Your hard work paid off.
Our company is a success all over the world.
You are a great businesswoman now.
And we need to celebrate this.
Let's go shopping as a family today. Welcome to my luxury boutique.
Good afternoon. I want to see your best dresses.
Of course, ma'am. You have great taste.
Mommy, I want that pink dress.
That dress is exclusive from Paris.
It is really very beautiful.
But I must warn you, it is very expensive.
The price is not a problem for us.
Wonderful. Do you want to see anything else?
We will take the pink one and that blue one too.
Excellent choice. Will you pay with a card?
Yes. A card with no limit.
Wait a minute. I know your face. Oh my God. You are the woman from the storm.
Yes. The woman you kicked out of the store.
I cannot believe what I am seeing.
My daughter almost died of cold.
How did you get so rich?
Unlike you, someone else helped me.
I am so sorry. I was very cruel.
A good man was kind to us.
Please forgive me for my mistake.
That night changed my life forever.
I was a fool.
I am very grateful for my new life.
You are a better person than me.
I forgive you, but I will never forget.
Anna, I see you bought beautiful dresses.
Yes, and I met someone from the past.
The man who was cruel to you in the rain?
Yes, but I was very polite to him.
You did not get revenge on him?
No, kindness is the best answer.
You are absolutely right.
Nobody should be humiliated for their appearance.
The world can change very fast.
I will never forget my past. I needed help, and you saved me.
I saw a good heart in you.
Whenever I can, I will help other people.
Have you ever helped someone?
Tell us in the comments.
Did you like this emotional story?
Leave a like and subscribe to the channel.